If you subscribe to one of Inside Mortgage Finance Publications' weekly or biweekly newsletters and have registered for online access, you can access the data that is published in that newsletter from the IMF website. Let's look at how to do that through the IMF data directory. First, make sure you're logged in so that once you find the chart you are looking for, you will be able to open it. You may also want to double check what publications are included in your subscription. If you're logged in and on the home page, which you can reach by clicking the IMF house logo, your newsletter subscriptions will be listed under the heading My Newsletter Subscriptions. In this example, I am subscribed to the weekly newsletter Inside Mortgage Finance, as well as the biweekly newsletters Inside Mortgage Trends and Inside FHA VA Lending. To open the data directory, go to the Mortgage Data menu and choose the first entry, IMF Data Directory. The IMF Data Directory lists all the data charts published in the 7 weekly and biweekly newsletters in the most recent 365 days. The charts are listed in alphabetical order. Each chart title is followed by a letter code that indicates which newsletter it was published in. You'll find the key to the code at the top of the directory. If you subscribe to the newsletter indicated by the code, you will be able to download the chart without any additional fees. For example, as we saw before, I subscribe to Inside Mortgage Finance. I'd like to look at the Mortgage Originators League table for the most recent quarter. You can use the letters at the top to jump to the correct section of the list. You can scroll through the list, or you can hold down the Control and F keys on your keyboard to bring up a search box on your browser. Let's use the search method and search for originators. You can use the arrow keys to scroll through the charts. Here's what I'm looking for. Top Mortgage Originators 6-month 15. It has the letters IMF after it, the code for Inside Mortgage Finance, so I'll be able to download it. Click on the chart title. Now you're on the article page. You'll find the data download links at the top above the article title. Click on the chart title, and here's your chart. Depending on which internet browser you are using, the process to open the data file may be slightly different. Let's return to the data directory to see what happens if we select a chart that was published in a newsletter that you don't have an active subscription to. In that case, you'll be taken to the article page, but the download links will not be live. For example, if we click on FHL Bank Combined Operating Highlights, which ran in Inside the GSEs, to which I don't subscribe, we see a link at the top of the accompanying article. But I have to start a subscription to this publication or use the pay-per-view option, which unlocks the article and its accompanying chart. If you find that many of the datasets you'd like to use aren't part of your current subscriptions, please give us a call. We're happy to help you find the solution that best serves your data needs.